Have you ever thought about building AI-powered app without writing a single line of code? Well, then meet Partyrock.aws, Amazon's latest AI playground that lets you to create, experiment and have fun with generative AI apps even if you're not a software developer. And it is completely free. So what exactly is Partyrock? Well, you can think about it as your personal AI sandbox. This is a no-code platform that lets you build AI applications powered by the latest foundational models from Amazon Bedrock. With just a few clicks, dragging and dropping widgets, you can create chatbots, text summarizers, or even image generators. It is completely free and no coding skills required. It has a very simple user interface where you can build your app just with one prompt and see it working just in a few seconds. And because it's free, it is perfect for AI beginners, educators, or enthusiasts who want to experiment with generative AI. Sounds exciting? Well, let's try it out then. So here it is, our Partyrock, and that's how the landing page looks like, and you can hit this start for free button and it will ask you what you want to build. And before you build anything, you can see some prompts examples. For example, this social media post generator, educative prompts like text to SQL generator. So you can just check out these prompts before you are going to make your own application. And what else you can do? You can go to apps and see some featured apps built by Partyrock. You can see some examples. For example, I as a parent personally like this one, Rad Dad, where you can put age of your child, tell where you're located, and hit the Control Enter or whatever it is for you. It will start generating and suggest you some activities and questions to your child to talk about it. So this is pretty cool. But enough examples, let's build our own application and see how does it work. And today I want to build a YouTube creator assistant who will help us to generate scripts for the videos for certain topics, generate a title that invokes some emotions, generate thumbnails and SEO optimized tags. So let's try to do it. So that's the description of the app I want to build, and now I just hit generate and you can see this is doing something. It called my app Creator Craft AI, and here it is. So welcome to the YouTube Content Creator Assistant. Start by entering a brief summary or concept for your video. And you can see that we have one block here, one widget here for the video concept, where we have to give our input to the app, our prompt, and we have outputs. Outputs are marked by green, so it should give us a video script, catchy title, SEO tags, and thumbnail preview. And here there is also a little chat where you can refine the output. So let's try. So the concept of the video will be, let's say I want to create a video about AI no-code platforms. And let's hit Command Enter. And it gives us a script with some different platforms, call to actions and everything, and some catchy titles and SEO tags, and it gave us a funny thumbnail. So this is still not perfect. For example, here the script is quite basic and it doesn't have like all the content, it just has some sections. So we can, for example, go here into our widgets, and you can see we have this edit widget button. And here we have our prompt. And we can refine this prompt as we want. We can do some prompt engineering. So for example, we can add here, the script should contain all the text that narrator should say. And let's save. And let's command enter again. And now instead of just giving us the sections titles for the main content, it gives us the actual text that we can read. So yeah, this is our assistant, and we also can go and change this thumbnail. We can tell what to exclude here. In these advanced settings, we can, for example, say that we don't want to have any hands, sunglasses, hats, whatever. We can use random seed. We can change the model we can change the model, and we can change an aspect ratio as well, because we don't want a square thumbnail. So let's save it and let's hit command enter. Yeah, the aspect ratio is a bit better now, but this text is a bit ugly and wrong. Let's say we don't want to have text in our images, and let's hit again command enter. Well, it didn't listen to us. Even though I said I don't want text, it still added the text. We can also tell here add a person to the thumbnail, and let's try to see, because for thumbnails it's good to have a person there often. And now we have this thumbnail that looks to me a bit better because it doesn't have this ugly text. I actually don't know why it didn't listen to me here that I don't want text, but you still can iterate through it until you get what you want. We also can change the layout of our application. We can resize our blocks so they don't take too much space, and that's pretty cool. If I want to put this one here, I can put it wherever I want. Yeah, we can also see what we can change here. We can change the model, so you can choose any model that Amazon Bedrock provides. We are now using Claude 3.5 Sonnet, but you can choose Amazon Nova or Llama if you prefer them. You can change the temperature and top P parameter. You can rename your widget title. You can change the prompt. You have a lot of creative freedom to change the application to do things you want. And when you're done, you can leave the edit and then share your app to the public, or just to people who have the link. And if you're fine with that, you can make app public and other people can see it. And you are not necessarily have to generate the app using prompt. You can also hit build manually and just add widgets yourself, and you can see which widgets we have. For example, we have a files widget, and you can give it a name. You can give these instructions, allow multiple files. But what is missing here, as you see, it only supports text documents. You cannot upload an image and ask it to analyze this image. This is the feature I'm really missing here. And what else we can do? We can have a static text, chat box, generated image. So you can generate image, you just cannot upload your own image, unfortunately. Generated text, for example, in the case of our YouTube application, this would be the script. Generated image, yeah, we already talked about it. There is a select where you can add some options to select from. So there is a lot of things you can do. And if you have something in mind that you would like to see here, but it's not here yet, it's missing, like this image uploading, for example, you can go to this, I think it was roadmap. Yeah, so here is it, it's public roadmap, where the developers of Partyrock share what they're gonna do next and what they release. So they are going to add more options to image widget and help you write better prompts and etc. And here in the exploring, you can submit your own feature request, or you can upvote already existing feature requests. And for example, people here also want to see analyze images. Imagine you could take a picture of your favorite food and get a recipe to make it at home. So yeah, if you could upload images and do some stuff with that, that could just create so many opportunities for cool apps. So people want this feature, and maybe soon it will be created. And there is also a code widget. What would you do if there would be a widget that could execute some simple source code? Yeah, I think that's also pretty cool, and I hope these features are coming soon. There is also a snapshot. So what are snapshots used for? For example, if we open our application for YouTube creators, and you can, let's say, ask it create a video about regular expressions, and then hit Command Enter. Oh, this one is nice, by the way. So now when it's ready, you can hit snapshot, and this will take a snapshot of your app as it is with these inputs and outputs, and then you can just copy it and you can share it with someone. And that's super cool, I think, because if you're using this app on Partyrock or any other app on Partyrock to do some work, and then you want to share the results with someone, and this someone could also, this person could also tweak your prompt or your widgets and then save its own snapshot or its own app. So it's pretty cool. That's it for today. That was Partyrock, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you already tried Partyrock or going to try, let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. And if you created a cool app there, feel free to share it in the comments as well. I'm really curious to see what people create with this amazing tool. And if you enjoy my videos and want to get all the latest and coolest AI tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button to get the notifications about my new videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.